Capital Financial Group is a financial planning company based in Brentwood. We actually cover most of the Southeast. Our primary focus is here in Tennessee, but we have offices in Southern Kentucky and Mississippi, Northern Alabama. We are a comprehensive fee-based organization, have about 100 advisors, and we are part of the Mass Mutual Financial Group system. My role is CEO and managing partner. I've been in that role since 1998. What motivated me to work with Blaine is, despite our success, we had hit a few plateaus, and we had gone through 24 or 30 months of somewhat stagnant growth, stagnant revenue. And I heard Blaine speak, and he was talking about what he does and his process. And I thought, you know, maybe the problem is me, and I need to look and see what's going on. That was the first time in my career that I've hired outside help to come in and look at the company and do a top to bottom dive. The beginning approach is one of just pretty massive discovery, bigger than I thought. He went to every single office of mine and talked about not only my role, but the interaction with Brentwood, interaction with each other. Just took an amazing amount of data before he ever started in on any fixes or any deep dive into what he thought was wrong. I guess what was most helpful from the discovery process is also the most painful. It's it's not easy hearing about where your warts are in your company and in your own leadership style. That's the purpose of going through a process like this, is trying to get to the bottom of whatever's going on or whatever's not going on. We then went to the leadership team and started group meetings with them. It was the first time in a long time the leadership team had really embarked upon deep arguments, good arguments, productive arguments. And what flushed out of that was really good stuff. We pulled all of ourselves up out of the tactical day-to-day stuff, and we started focusing on spending a decent amount of time every month on strategy. That's probably what got us into a stagnant place. We had gotten away from strategic thinking, and we'd gotten away from thinking big. We're in a very competitive market, so working with Blaine and his company, I think has first of all given all my leadership team some real clarity as to where I'm headed, where my vision is for the company again, and where they fit in that vision. And by doing that and giving them that clarity, it's really lit up the runway for them. They're on fire. And when that happens, growth occurs. And that's been a really good thing. And this whole process really opened my eyes up to how much small businesses need somebody like Blaine to come in and not necessarily be a board of directors, but take them through a discovery process and be an unbiased outside set of eyes, a set of ears, and a voice to tell somebody what an outsider's truly seeing. Working with Blaine and going through this process has been kind of a career-changing thing for me late in my career. It's put some more gas back in my tank. It's kind of altered my thoughts about retirement a little bit, which is a good thing. And I'm certainly having a lot more fun. And I think the results show, and I think if you interviewed my leadership team, I think they'd say the same thing.